Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened a program or a game on Windows and suddenly got a pop-up window saying Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library, Runtime Error, followed by the app just crashing or freezing, you're definitely not alone. This is one of the most common errors on Windows, and today I'm going to walk you through exactly what it means and how to fix it step by step. So first, let's quickly understand what this error actually is. Microsoft Visual C++ is a set of components that a huge number of Windows programs rely on to run properly. Think of it like a shared toolkit that different software borrows from instead of building their own version from scratch. When this error pops up, it usually means one of those components is either missing, outdated, or corrupted, and the program you're trying to run can't function without it. The first fix, and honestly the one that solves this most of the time, is reinstalling the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable packages. Head over to Microsoft's official website and search for Visual C++ Redistributable download. You'll want to download both the x86 and x64 versions, since some programs need one or the other, or sometimes both. Install both of them, restart your computer, and then try opening the program that was giving you trouble. If you already have these installed and you're still getting the error, try uninstalling all existing Visual C++ redistributable versions first. Go into your control panel, click on Programs and Features, and look for anything labeled Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Uninstall every version you see listed. Restart your PC, and then go back and do a completely fresh install using the official downloads from Microsoft's website. The second major fix is making sure Windows itself is fully updated. Microsoft regularly patches issues related to these runtime libraries through Windows Update. Go into your settings, click on Windows Update, and check for any pending updates. Install everything available, restart your computer, and see if the error has gone away. Third, if the error happens with one specific program rather than your entire system, the program's installation files themselves might be corrupted. Try uninstalling that specific program completely, restarting your computer, and then downloading a fresh copy directly from the official source rather than from a random third-party website. Corrupted or incomplete downloads are a common hidden cause of this exact error. Fourth, run a system file checker scan. Open Command Prompt as an administrator by searching for it in your Start menu, right-clicking and selecting Run as Administrator. Type in the command sfc /scan now and press Enter. This scans your entire system for corrupted files, including ones related to these runtime libraries, and automatically repairs anything it finds broken. And finally, if you're still stuck after all of this, check if your antivirus software is blocking or interfering with the program. Some antivirus programs mistakenly flag runtime library files as suspicious. Try temporarily disabling your antivirus, running the program again, and if it works fine, you'll know to add an exception for that program in your antivirus settings. That covers all the main ways to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime error. If this helped you get your program running again, leave a like, subscribe for more fixes like this, and I'll see you in the next video.